In this episode of Bluegrass Garage, we're going to Ford Fest. We just got into the gate, looking at some road course.
Aspects, this whole massive zone. Also pay attention there are specific areas where you may sit and areas where you some capacity in all of the grandstands on the facilities. Sideways! Spin her around, big boy. If forward don't work, backward surely will. Last weekend in Indy, they crowned their NMCA World Champions for the year at Indy. And this weekend it is all about the Ford crowd. So the NMRA crowning champions at Beach Bend Raceway Park. Also, folks, the circle track, which was great. It's toward the west, so going toward the west. You guys can walk across the stage lanes or over there to the mall. And you can take advantage of a bunch of great deals they have going on in the mall. That's over there behind.
I don't care how it does, it just looks cool.
I see a sway bar on the back. Car was on the edge that whole turn.
I'm sure.
Kind of walking through the pits.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Freedom Factory Ford Fest. Oh, Von Denton Jr. Oh, this is going to be great. Look at him and Chelsea on the inside going into turn one. Hard on the front. Wow, these cars haul ass. Oh, Chelsea sideways. Von Denton still in the inside. Cletus on the outside. Oh, out there. Chelsea with a nice lead. Von Denton Jr. up behind him. They're going on the inside. Oh, sideways. I will tell you.
Oh. I messed his headlight up.
Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh no! No way! Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, let's get
I thought it was going to be a big burnout in the middle.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't care who you are, that was fun.
Oh, man. That was great.
Mark it on the wall.
What the heck? No wonder.
How awesome is this?
There won't be any cars left.
Dude, Chelsea, dude. Oh my God.
Nice.
All right, folks, we are calling it a wrap. NMRA 2020 Bowling Green, Kentucky. Friday, we saw some drag racing, we saw some autocrossing, some drifting, saw some drifting, and a whole lot of shenanigans in between. Hell yeah, brother! Saw some Cletus McFarland. It was good times. So we will do this again next year.
Peace out.
Peace out.